Hey everybody, my name is Kyle and welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. For this session, I'll be showing you a quick trick that you can use whenever an application isn't running correctly, so you can quickly disable it or end the process. So we've all been there. An app freezes and your PC is stuck and you can't do any work. The key is getting to Task Manager fast so you can end it and get back to work. The classic way to getting to Task Manager is pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete, and then you click on Task Manager. Afterward, it's going to pop up Task Manager, where you can look for the processes. And I'll show you an example. I'll be closing Visual Studio Code. You right click on it, and then you click on End Task. And after a while, it's going to close completely. The issue with this is that sometimes it takes a while before you can go to the Ctrl Alt Delete screen. So I'm going to show you another quick tip. What you can also press is Ctrl Shift and Escape, which I'm going to be doing right now. And it'll instantly show Task Manager, which makes it easier for you and can save precious seconds, especially if the process is something very important and something that needs to be done in 10 minutes.